So I've been getting whatever comments about people being like, your voice is annoying or some other shit like that. And then some people even started saying that, like, or implying that I choose to sound like this, which, like, who the fuck would choose to sound like this? I've gotten a few comments saying that I'm using AI, and then they're like, you know, basically saying autistic people are all robots, so, thanks for that. Or people say I should use AI, because I guess AI is going to be better than my real voice somehow, even though it's like, if I hear an AI voice in the video, I'm gonna click off. So, like, why the fuck would I use AI in my own videos? If I don't like it in other videos, why would I use it in my videos? It makes no sense. And then it's like, people, even without AI, people think I'm doing some sort of thing to sound like this, even though I'm just talking normally. Like, who in their right mind would choose to sound like this? Would you choose to sound like this? Probably not. So, like, why the fuck would I choose to sound like this? Like, if I could magically change the way I sound, I would do that shit so fucking fast. In a literal heartbeat, I would choose to sound like anything else. Literally anything else, I would choose to sound like. Even as a kid, I kind of hated my voice, but I mean, like, it was kind of like, oh, hey, everyone hates their voice when they hear their own voice, whether it's in a recording or whatever. Like, everyone hates their voice, right? But I guess mine is just different to where it's not just me that hates my voice, it's literally fucking everyone that hates my voice. So if I could magically not sound like this in a second, I fucking would. I would go so fucking fast. I would try so fucking hard. Yet there's no magical way to change my voice, so I'm stuck like this for the rest of my life. So I should probably just kill myself, right? If I sound like shit and no one fucking wants me around, no one fucking likes me, there's no point anymore. Why the fuck am I still here? Who the fuck would choose to sound like this? Seriously, who the fuck? Any normal fucking person would never choose to sound like this. Especially if they were going to get bullied for it. Attacked for shit that they can't control. So again, why would I choose this? For one, it sounds like shit. Two, I get harassed for just talking normally. So fucking tell me, why the fuck would I choose to sound like this? Did you choose to sound like how you sound? When did you choose to sound how you sound? Because I don't remember ever choosing this. No fucking normal person would ever choose this fucking garbage. Like, what the fuck? What the absolute fuck? And then people wonder why I want to fucking kill myself? So thanks a lot. All the more reason to hate myself.